Let me share something that changed my entire manifesting journey. You're not inconsistent, you are cyclical. And the reason your manifestation practice has not been working is because it doesn't bring you joy. You're still looking at it as something to tick off your to do list every day. You're not actually in practice with these rituals. As a woman, your body was never designed that way. No one talks about this, but your menstrual cycle has 4 phases, and each one of them aligns with a specific energy that can actually enhance your manifestation practice if you know how to work with it. So I'm going to try and break it down for this video, okay? First, we have the follicular phase. This is the phase right after your period. You feel fresh, your mind is clear. There's like this new exciting energy that you want to work with. This is the perfect time to set new intentions. So you can create your monthly vision boards. You can do scripting, which is basically just writing down the life that you desire. Basically, this is where you need to get clear on what you want because your body is literally primed for new beginnings. Next, we have the ovulation phase. This is when your energy is at its peak, okay? You are magnetic. This is when you go out, you need to be seen, you need to network with as many people as you can. You put yourself out there and you show up confidently. This is the energy of visibility. This is the energy of attraction and magnetism. This is when you manifest through expression and action. And then we have the luteal phase. This is when things start slowing down. You may get more sensitive, irritable, emotional. And instead of judging yourself, use this phase for shadow work. I have a video all about the luteal phase, so check that out as well. But this is the time to reflect inwards. You will not be as social. You will be more in a cocoon. So this is the perfect time to journal, to reflect, and just to take things easy. All of your limiting beliefs might come up to the surface here, but that's a good thing. It's coming up so you can actually clear them. So don't judge yourself during this phase. Just be aware of what's coming up. Finally, we have the menstrual phase. Your period is your chance to reset. This is when your body asks you to slow down, to rest and surrender. This is not the time to do all the heavy work because you've done that in the previous phases. This is actually the time to receive. This is where your biggest manifestation can actually come in because you're finally in receiving mode. You're not chasing, you're simply allowing. How amazing is that? Your cycle holds the blueprint for manifesting. So the next time you feel like you're off or not aligned, maybe you're actually just in a different phase of your cycle. And it still means you're right on time. You just need to focus your energy on the right things. You need to know where you are in your cycle and then meet yourself there. I use an app, so I know exactly where in my cycle I am. There's so many apps out there. Just pick one that works for you. And trust me, your life will change when you start syncing your energy with your cycle.